Well, if you're going to be planning some kind of outdoor activity on Sunday, maybe a barbecue or something like that, here's how it looks weather-wise. Clear skies in Newfoundland, mostly clear throughout the Maritimes, just some cloud edging in late in the afternoon. Showers in southern Quebec and southern Ontario, some moderate winds out of the southwest and southern Quebec. Showers continuing in Thunder Bay, but clearing in Kenora. It'll be nice in Manitoba and clear on the coast of BC on Sunday.
I'm Sandra Jansen, and this is an Earthwatch News Update. An earthquake with a magnitude of 5.5 shook central Sulawesi in Indonesia early today. It injured at least 18 people and destroyed 100 homes. The Maritimes is home to millions of seals, but not everyone is thrilled about their presence. That's why scientists at Dalhousie University have stepped in to help. Michelle Skurman will have a report. Mining companies are taking a second look at abandoned gold mines in Nova Scotia. The Natural Resources Department says the companies are examining a new type of gold deposit. The gold is apparently found in narrow gold quartz veins inside host rocks. In the American Midwest, volunteers are spending another day piling up sandbags along the banks of the Missouri River. Forecasters say within the next 48 hours, the river will be 5 meters above the flood stage. The United States and North Korea have begun talks aimed at preventing the North from making nuclear bombs. Neither side is expected to make a statement unless there's a breakthrough. That's all ahead on Earthwatch News. Join us.
This Weather Network report on ultraviolet conditions is brought to you by SLR, Vision World Leader. This graph represents the latest ultraviolet reading for your region. The numbers at the bottom of the page represent the time of the latest reading. The scale on the left shows whether the readings are low, moderate, high, or extreme. This green curve shows today's expected UV index for each hour of the day. These yellow bars indicate the actual UV index for your area.
Take a good look through new Transitions comfort lenses. The new lightweight plastic prescription lenses with a special tint that lightens and darkens as the light changes. The only lightweight plastic lenses that darken and lighten just like that. It's comfort you can see day or night, outside or inside. Ask for new Transitions comfort lenses.
Ask your eye care professional for Transitions comfort lenses by Essilor.
For further information, contact your eye care professional.
You're watching the Weather Network, covering weather and environmental issues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exclusively on cable.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Scott Sims here on Earthwatch Weekend. Your local details in a few moments. First of all, however, we're going to focus on a system now over northeastern Ontario. We'll spring some storms tonight. Thunder showers highly possible in southwestern Ontario and also for the northeast, especially around the Nickel Belt. I'll be back in a few moments with your national forecast. Stay with us.
This long-range forecast on the Weather Network is brought to you by First Alert, carbon monoxide detectors, because your family comes first.
Welcome back, everyone. Just a quick update on Sunday. First of all, your forecast, sunshine in Atlantic Canada, a few showers in northeast, and a clearing for southern Ontario. For the northwest, however, cold and a little cooler across all of the prairies. Some showers in the southern areas, and the foothills could be some snow showers in the early morning, and sunshine to the BC coast. For Monday, that system will drift further south into the U.S., American Midwest. Sunshine will prevail, ridge of high pressure, basically from the BC coast right through to northeastern Ontario, but it's going to be cool. As you can see, cool 3 times, so we're not fooling around. Showers into southeastern Ontario and also for southern Quebec and the Gaspé region that will drift into the Maritimes on Monday, and increasing cloud for Newfoundland. Tuesday, that system should depart. However, some scattered showers will remain in Newfoundland and the Maritimes, mainly cloudy skies. Lots of sunshine, Ontario, Quebec, warmer this time around across the prairies, and sunshine across BC. It's going to be, again, a clear day. And for Wednesday, sunshine will prevail across BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, all of the eastern prairies for that matter. Southern Ontario, however, increasing cloud and some scattered showers in the southwest.
Look for school day forecasts on the Weather Network at 47 minutes past the hour. School day forecasts brought to you in part by eggs.
I'm Sandra Jansen, and this is Earthwatch News. An earthquake with a magnitude of 5.5 shook central Sulawesi in Indonesia early today. It injured at least 18 people and destroyed 100 homes. The site is 1,450 kilometers northeast of Jakarta. The Maritimes is home to literally millions of seals. They're a treat for wildlife watchers, but not everyone is thrilled about their presence. That's why scientists at Dalhousie University have stepped in to help. Michelle Skurman has details.
Atlantic Canada has over 4 million seals in its waters and on its beaches. Fishermen and fishing organizations are concerned that's too many seals eating too much fish. So the fishing industry came here to Dalhousie University for help, and biologists here have responded by creating the first ever birth control vaccine for seals. Biologist Bob Brown explains how it works.
We immunize seals so that they produce antibodies against their eggs, and the antibodies coat the eggs, and because of that, sperm don't recognize or bind to the eggs, so fertilization doesn't take place.
The vaccine has proved 90% effective on both seals in captivity and in the wild, and Brown says the vaccine is a more humane way of controlling seal populations.
It is, I believe, a good compromise between those that do not believe in any human interference with seal populations and those that maintain a hunt.
The Department of Fisheries and Oceans is funding the project, but the government has not yet indicated when or if it will implement a vaccination program. For the Weather Network, I'm Michelle Skurman in Halifax.
Mining companies are taking a second look at abandoned gold mines throughout Nova Scotia. The Natural Resources Department says the companies are examining a new type of gold deposit. The gold is apparently found in narrow gold quartz veins inside host rocks. They're called decimated deposits, and they could be retrievable. Join us for more Earthwatch later.
This Weather Network lawn and garden forecast is brought to you by Green Cross Brands, your first aid for lawns and gardens.
And welcome back, everyone. In the Maritimes, clearing skies highlight this forecast with basically a ridge of high pressure just along the eastern seaboard of the United States. It's going to gradually move northeast, and it will move sunshine into Halifax, Charlottetown, Fredericton, St. John, Moncton, and eventually some sunny skies into St. John's, but that for the latter part of the day. For eastern Quebec, showers into Quebec City, overcast skies in Sherbrooke itself. However, clearing skies in Montreal and Ottawa, and there will remain a chance of showers, 60%, so quite significant. Only 40% for Ottawa, a chance of showers in the afternoon for the rest of southern Ontario. From Kingston down towards the escarpment, again, it's going to be a cloudy day with a few breaks, but a good chance of showers, especially in the southeast, basically as you hit Belleville and head east towards Kingston, Brockville. Southwest, again, a very good chance of showers towards Cottage Country, less significant across the southwest, Windsor and London, with temperatures mild again. 13 degrees would be the morning temperature to a high of about 20 degrees. Northeastern Ontario showers, a possibility of thunder showers, but still a little cooler this hour. So thunder showers highly unlikely, but showers highly likely, with temperatures but 7 degrees. In the northwest, clearing skies.
Ever get caught in a spring shower without an umbrella? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. Especially in Toronto, where about 5,600 umbrellas are lost on average every year on public transit vehicles. But that's just a drop in the bucket compared to London, England. That city's transit authority estimates that around 25,200 umbrellas are lost each year. And that's a lot of wet people. Believe it, it's a weather fact.
The Weather Network presents the Claritin Pollen Report, round-the-clock help for allergy sufferers.
Your pollen levels across the country basically below average, except for British Columbia along the south coast, still above average levels across the lower mainland, lower Fraser Valley. Of course, this is the time of year for tree pollens to be in full bloom. For Alberta and Saskatchewan, cooler conditions prevail, 5-10 degrees below seasonal. The temperatures still with cloud and showers along southern areas. So for Sunday, pollen counts will be relatively low. For Ontario, again, increasing cloud and some showers, low pollen counts in that region. However, in the afternoon, they will pick up because of windy conditions.
The first column indicates the actual levels of pollen recorded at the nearest monitoring station in your area. The second column shows whether this reading is low, moderate, or high.
Allergy sufferers, tulip fair. Now listen, loves. If what you're taking for your allergies is making you sleepy, remember the non-drowsy relief of Claritin. Crikey, take it from me, love. Who feels like being in a bed all summer? Claritin is jolly good for your itchy eyes, runny nose, sneezing, and blimey, you can still tiptoe, not trudge through the tulips, so keep your eyes open, love. If it's non-drowsy you're looking for, look for one that says it on the box.
Across Canada, pollen samples are rushed to us daily by Priority Courier, the courier you can count on for fast, reliable, guaranteed delivery of your documents and parcels.
You're watching the Weather Network, covering weather and environmental issues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exclusively on cable.
Getting now into the second day of this long weekend, basically we have some thunder showers into southwestern Ontario, and it's moving towards Cottage Country, probably the most populated spot this time of the weekend. Considering that, however, clearing skies throughout the end of the weekend. By Sunday, we could see some good clear breaks and some warmer temperatures. I'll be back in a few moments. Local details next. Welcome back, everyone. To begin this national forecast, a look at the jet stream that begins right here over the Yukon Territory, straight down British Columbia. The stream will then skirt along the Canada-U.S. border over central southern Ontario and then exiting over Newfoundland. Seasonal conditions in Atlantic Canada. A little milder this time around for southwestern Ontario. Cold air moves into the prairies again, so once again for Sunday it will be a day of temperatures 5 to 10 degrees below average. However, seasonal conditions will prevail in British Columbia, and not just seasonal conditions, but sunshine, again for the south coast of BC. It's been a beautiful spring so far for all of BC. This ridge of high pressure will maintain itself over the south coast, central, and into the northern coast, all northern areas for that matter. However, as we drift further east, this low pressure area here will bring showers in the southeastern corner of BC and some snow into western Alberta. That's right, snow, heavy snowfall warning in areas of West Lethbridge, Edson, and we could see some of that snow moving into Calgary. probably about 1 to 3 centimeters, but 3 centimeters being the maximum amount. Just a few accumulations across much of the eastern regions of the Rockies. As we move into southeastern Alberta, however, showers will prevail, and all that rain will drift into southern Saskatchewan also. Clear breaks into Manitoba. Not a bad day, really, but all over the prairies, temperatures, again, 5 to 10 degrees below average. Showers into northeastern Ontario, and a good chance of thunder showers again in the evening. And for all of southern Ontario, clear in the morning, but again, some more cloud returns in the afternoon with some scattered showers. A lot of instability remains in southern Ontario. And steadier rain into southern Quebec, a chance of thunder showers in Ottawa overnight. Atlantic Canada, however, clearing up quite nicely with a very small ridge of high pressure. Showers will move through southern Quebec. Clearing for southern Ontario, again showers in southern Saskatchewan, and again a mainly clear night in British Columbia. Welcome back, everyone. Earthwatch Weekend. I'm Scott Sims across Canada right now. As we take a look first at the moving satellite image, we see basically this spiraling system over northern Ontario, some showers, thunder showers with that, clearing into Atlantic Canada. And here's a system, a trough over much of northern Alberta and northern BC. Wrapped up in that cloud, snow. Dare we say the S word. As we take a look now at Atlantic Canada and moving back towards southern Ontario, basically we have clear skies in the Maritimes. Newfoundland, still some cloud there. Southeastern Ontario, it's still mainly clear, but now we have active weather in the southwest due to this area of low pressure. It's centered now over Georgian Bay. We have showers, heavier rain into northeastern Ontario for Thunder Bay, or sorry, for northeast, that would be where? Sudbury and North Bay, yes, that's better. Southwestern Ontario, we have some showers. We even have a report of a thunder shower just a little while ago in Toronto, and thunder showers into Muskoka, so for cottage country also. Behind it, we have a few breaks into northwestern Ontario, still mainly cloudy in Thunder Bay. Yes, that's where it is. Clearing into Manitoba, Winnipeg, just about all clear. And behind it, we have a ridge of high pressure bringing colder air from the north down. So basically, temperatures will be 5 to 10 degrees below average. Snow anticipated for this system. And oh, here we go. Yeah, all right. Basically, we have a heavy snowfall warning for the region of just west of Lethbridge and west of Edson, just along right here. So basically, we could see up to about 20 centimeters of snow for this area in white. 1 to 2 centimeters possible in the city of Calgary. And now your latest. Sunday was a mainly gray day in the Maritimes, or Saturday, sorry, but Sunday clearing skies for the Maritimes. Charlottetown, Halifax, and Fredericton could see some nice clear breaks in the afternoon. Temperatures between 15 and 20 degrees for your daytime highs. Fredericton, increasing cloud in the evening, and yes, we could see some showers, but late in the night. Newfoundland clearing from west to east. St. John's, some variable skies in the afternoon, a high of only 12. Quebec City, from wraparound cloud over this region. Quebec City and Sherbrooke could see some thunder showers with the highs of about 19 degrees. So as you can see, as it becomes milder, as we get close to 20 degrees, with all this convective cloud, we could see thunder showers, highly likely due to the warmer temperatures. However, once you're getting into temperatures between 10 and 15, the chance of a thunder shower diminishes, so highly unlikely. So 18 in Montreal, 17 in Ottawa, and variable skies. And for the rest of southern Ontario, again, mixed conditions. Keep in mind, in the morning, more sun than cloud. In the afternoon, more cloud than sun. So the chance of a shower will occur basically in the afternoon. Southwestern Ontario, much the same, clearing conditions, sunshine in the morning for some showers in the afternoon, and good chance of rain throughout cottage country, Barrie to Muskoka, Peterborough, the Kawarthas. Also showers in northeastern Ontario, heavy rain in this district due to because the low is centered in this area over the Nickel Belt and Sault Ste. Marie. Possible clear breaks, but still again a day of gray skies. So if you're planning to head out, you could see some sunshine in the early morning. However, be prepared, bring along an umbrella and your rain gear, simply because you could see some showers. Actually, keep the rain gear home. Just an umbrella would suffice. Northwestern Ontario, clearing skies in Kenora and Thunder Bay, 12 and 14. Now we're moving into cooler temperatures. For Brandon, some showers. Regina, most of the cloud and rain will be just along the border areas. Lethbridge, Regina, Medicine Hat, Swift Current. Calgary, however, Edmonton, some clear breaks in the afternoon. And again for British Columbia, sunshine. A sunny day, highs above 20 degrees in the interior. And for the coast, sunshine, lower mainland, lower Fraser Valley. Now your latest across the country. Now in your day trip forecast on this Earthwatch weekend, basically clearing skies in Atlantic Canada. So a good day for travel in Peggy's Cove, into Ketchimakuchik, Kuchipakwak, highs of about 18 degrees. And clearing for the west coast of Newfoundland. There we'll see clear skies in the morning and nice again in the afternoon. For Quebec City and Montreal, Eastern Township, some scattered showers remain. There will be a mix of sun and cloud throughout the day. More sun in the morning, more cloud in the afternoon. And therefore, in the afternoon, watch out for the shower, possibly a thunder shower. For the Gatineau area, much the same, steadier rain towards the Laurentians. And from Kingston down to Niagara Falls, again the same story. Sunshine in the morning, a few clouds remain in the afternoon with the possibility, slight possibility, however, of thunder showers, but a good chance of showers. Sandbanks, Toronto to Cottage Country, again much the same. Showers to Barrie, a few clear breaks into Owen Sound, Collingwood, but again mostly cloudy and some showers. Peterborough, we can expect a good chance for showers in the afternoon. Haliburton, Muskoka, Kawarthas. Lake of the Woods, Lake Winnipeg, clearing skies, smaller chance of showers, but cooler temperatures prevail. Thunder Bay, a high of only 12 degrees, between 0 and 5 in the morning, so 5 to 10 degrees below seasonal. Saskatoon, variable, 12, and some showers in southern Saskatchewan, and again a gray day throughout much of southern areas, Banff and Jasper. Now, once you get to these areas, we suggest you delay travel for at least a day. A heavy snowfall warning just along West Red Deer, West Edson. We could see up to 15 centimeters of snow and a few snowflakes for Calgary.